Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Ship Hub. It caters to the needs of the ship owners, operators, charterers and the maritime insurers as well. We understand that no two ships have the same issues and no two organizations have the same problems. Hence, we work as partners with the organizations to achieve their digitalization goal. We work with the top management to understand the organizational pain points and provide customized solutions to those needs. In all our solution, our primary aim is to reduce costs significantly while enhancing efficiency, ensuring fleet reliability and improved uptime. We continuously track, monitor and manage all KPIs provided by the top management team, be it their consumption or decarbonization goals. Our platform works as a single point ecosystem within the organization. Hence we call it all-in-one. Our solution is flexible and customizable. This platform is by far the fastest to implement and most comprehensive in the industry. Data standardization and correctness is the most important aspect of analytics. Our system uses proprietary algorithms to ensure that the data coming in to the platform is checked and relevant. Industry requirement of a single source of truth and transparency requires data to be leveraged by multiple parties for the common good of the business. We work not only with onboard sensors to receive these data points, but we are also mindful that the older vessels may not have all the sensors. Hence, our platform uses a mix of offline data to provide a similar experience to the customer. Our software uses pattern recognition, deviation analysis to create alerts and alarms, which help in condition monitoring and prevent breakdown.
Smart Ship Hub has the capability to provide live high-frequency sensor data from navigation, machinery systems, fuel systems, cargo systems, auxiliary systems on board to vessel managers and vessel owners. With live high-frequency data coming in from the vessel, it acts as a single source of truth, which primarily allows to do various kinds of analysis like fuel optimization, machinery downtime prediction, main engine diagnostics, hull performance, and several other things. On our platform, what we provide is condition-based monitoring of the live data that is coming from the vessel. And then there are several analyses that shows how the vessel is performing at a particular weather, at a particular RPM, at a particular fuel utilization levels. There are several of algorithms based on machine learning, predictive analysis and algorithms that are used by our technical team of chief engineers to build health index models for the vessel and the main engine. This has proven for our customers very useful.
We get telemetry from the bridge, we get telemetry from the engine, and then we upload it to our intelligent cloud. Is then basically given on to our analytics platform. Analytics platform serves two purposes. One is creating a digital twin of your vessel onto our platform, whereby your superintendents, your masters, anyone who wants to actually have a look at what's happening within the ship across the fleet can have a real-time look into it. That's one aspect of it. The second aspect of it is actually predictive analytics. So we go on to creating solutions for use cases such as hull fouling, for breakdown maintenance, and all of this happens through our own platform. So towards the conclusion, I also want to tell you about all the innovative things which we are doing at Smart Ship. We are trying to reduce the cost and the build of our entire box. We want to actually get down to the size of my palm. And tomorrow it will also get loaded with onboard AI system, which will be able to help your ship staff perform more efficiently. We are also integrating with ChatGPT. So that's something again to look forward to. Stay tuned.
So please feel free to contact us, and we would be more than happy to be your partners in your digitalization and decarbonization journey. Thank you.